How to make image animation in Premiere Pro. So as you can see, I have some images here, just selecting those image and just bringing those image to the timeline. So now as you can see, these are not fitted on the screen. So in effect control, you have to fix the scale to how it fits. So for this image thing, I have to a little bit. So as you can see, we have these three images here going on. Let's say we want to animate this image. So first we want to zoom in like so. So now we want to add keyframes on position and scale, and then go to the end of the clip, okay, in here, and we are just making it zoom like this. Okay, so we can just adjust the volume or adjust the scale of it like this. So let's say we want to zoom it to the person that's walking here. So now as you can see, it's zooming in. Okay, so it's like going in linear way, so it's like not that super smooth. So if you want to make it smoother, then just go to here and then is in, and for this is out. As simple as that. Then you can just expand this thing, and then you can just add some like this kind of thing here to make it more smoother like this. Let's see what happens. Okay, like this works like a speed ramping thing. As you can see, it just get out of the frame in here, so we can reduce that just like this. So let's play it again. So it's just fixing it like so. So let's just don't do it that much. So we did it for position, let's make it for scale now. So in scale, just let's do that thing. If you just make it down a bit, let's see what happens. It goes down instead of going there. Okay, so make it a little bit, okay, like this. Let's see what happens now. Saw this thing? The more you like increase this thing, it goes more smoother, and like first zoom in there, and then they're going slowly in there. Okay, so we don't want to make it that like that. It's okay to be like this, as you can see. So first in this image, I don't want to make like the previous one, so I want to just like slide through this and then zoom out. Okay, let's say now click on position, then we wanna just go through here in the cyberpunk. Let's zoom into the cyberpunk here. Okay, as you can see, just do like this. So and then we want it to bring back us from where we were, so let's just fix this thing to like this, and then fix it like this. So as you can see, we have made an animation like this. Okay, so again, this is in linear, so you can make it like before, is out, is in, like this. So also you can do that thing again in here to make it more cool and more great. For that, just making it a little bit like this. So in here, let's say we want it to more smoother and more like great that we want it. Let's just bend it over. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking cool already. Okay, so it's super cool. So now let's say we want it to like slide so much slowly. So for that, if you wanna make it slow zoom, then you can animate it like this. Okay, go to the last and just don't make it so much. Okay, just a little bit zoom, like before is out and then is in. So as you can see, it's just zooming so like, what can you say that? Just look at this zoom effect here. Okay, it's zooming. So as you can see, it looks so good here. Okay, this one was cool. Look at this one. Cool. What about this one? Okay, this one slowly zooms in. So this was a small tutorial how can you just animate images in Premiere Pro, and thanks for watching.